Okay, so hopefully you all got through your worksheet okay without any trouble. Once you get the hang of it, it's really not that hard. But now we're going to talk about a step, a skip, and a jump, okay? It happens in music. A step you have to think of the solfege scale as a series of steps. It's like a staircase, okay? If you look at above me, okay, it's just a staircase. So we have a step, a skip, and a jump. Step is where you literally just take step by step by step. A skip is where you skip steps. So you like if you're in a hurry, you skip steps or you go every other one. And a jump is where you get really excited and you just propel yourself from like mid staircase down to the ground and hopefully don't biff it in front of all your friends. Okay, so in demonstrating, it's pretty easy. You have to think of all of these lines and spaces as steps and skips, okay? So this is, here, I'm gonna move over here, a step. I think of it in terms of solfege. So let's say I have do right here, then a step is going to be re, or it can go down to ti, okay? That is a step. You're just moving a step in the right direction. It's going to go space, line, space, line, space, line, okay? A skip, again, is where you are skipping a step or you're taking it every other one, okay? So let's say do is right here. You're skipping the line, skipping the line. Or let's say that do is on a line. You're going to go to this line. You're going to go to this line, okay? It's not hard. You're just skipping. You're skipping, okay? Skip. Then you have jump. This one is a little bit harder to kind of understand, but it's anything greater than a step or a skip, okay? So a jump, let's say do is right here. It can be anything from do to fa or greater, okay? So let's say you can go do to so, you can go do down to, I don't know, fa, okay? It is a large space between two notes. So this is a step, this is a skip, and this is a jump. So here's what you're going to do for number 41 and beyond. I believe that it looks something like this. How'd she do that? Okay, here's what you're going to do. Number one, you circle fa, okay? You circle the furthest sharp, which is right there, okay? You know that any note in that space is going to be ti. So what I would recommend you doing is finding, ti, okay? So that's going to be ti. That's going to be do, because it's one up from ti, okay? And from there, you're going to fill in your solfege, okay? Now be very careful and count very carefully. Then you're going to go through and you're going to find a step, a skip, and a jump. So if you look at number 41, the first one is a step. Remember, it's like a stair step. That's all you're doing. So the only two stair steps that I see is either this one or that one, okay? It doesn't matter. You just have to circle one. Then we're going to do a skip. So the only one that I see is this, okay? Because you're skipping the space, okay? And then you want to do a jump. So remember, it's anything do to fa or greater or more than 4 line space, line space. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be a jump. You could also circle this one. You could also circle that one, okay? But you only need to do one. And I just need to make sure that it is a step, skip, and a jump, okay? So you have to do one for all of those, all right? And if you have any questions, don't ask the sub. Good luck. Ta-da! There, I have my crap for you guys to do tomorrow.